Hi everybody, I'm the remote chief and I'm super nervous. This is the Q500 in extreme wind. It's blowing gusty out here. Woo! Absolutely blowing, like, this thing is blowing. I took her out to that open area right there and she was just gusting all around. I could not get a shot in, so it's just over 20-mile-an-hour winds. You do not want to mess with the bird. But the bird still does pretty good, moving a little more than it should. But that's the Yuneec Q500 in about like 30-mile-an-hour winds. I mean, it's blowing out here and I'm right on the water. I'm afraid the wind will push it to a tree, or it's going up and down a little more than normal. I'm gonna land her right now because I'm nervous as hell. It is absolutely blowing, and when the wind picks up heavy duty, it picks up heavy duty. My dude is working so hard just to stay there. I gotta land her, boys. Of my bird. So there you have it. Take it from me. Do not be an idiot and fly your Yuneec Q500 or any drone really, unless it's made for high wind. I mean, it's blowing, like the trees are blowing. The wind is coming in. You can probably hear it on the audio. It's just tearing up my audio. Like if I put my hat up, my hat's gonna blow off. The remote chief. Got my remote chief hat dirty. You heard it here first. Do not fly your Yuneec Q500 in heavy wind. You will lose the bird, and you won't be happy. Trust me, I just took mine down, I'm happy I did. No more flying for the day. It's beautiful, it sucks, but it is too windy out here, folks. Check in with the chief in a little while. I don't want you losing your drones. I've been through it all, so you don't have to.